Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best earring backings is probably one of the most overlooked parts of wearing earrings, but choosing the right backing can make a world of difference in comfort, security, and even the overall look of your earrings. From hypoallergenic materials to stylish designs, finding the perfect earring backing is key to enjoying your favorite earrings without worry or irritation. Today, we'll explore the various types of earring backings available, helping you find the ideal match for your ears and your style. Number 5. Earring Back Set. Are your earrings constantly falling out? These earring backs provide a comfortable and secure fit, so you can wear your favorite earrings all day long. They're incredibly easy to use. Simply slide them onto your earring posts, and they'll stay put, preventing any frustrating losses. This set includes 200 pieces in both silver and gold, giving you plenty to use and replace as needed. You'll always have a backup. Made from a safe, hypoallergenic material, it's perfect for sensitive ears. Wear them with confidence, knowing they won't cause irritation. Slightly stretchy and made of durable rubber, they comfortably fit most earring posts with a diameter between 0.8 mm and 1.2 mm. With these earring backs, you can finally enjoy your jewelry without the worry of them falling out. Experience the difference. What we like? They are comfortable and easy to use, fitting most ear posts. With 200 pieces in a variety of colors, you'll always have replacements on hand. If you need a bulk supply of reliable earring backs, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. These earring backs are sturdy and make your earrings sit nicely on your ears. I got them to replace all of my studs and a few heavy, dangling ones that sagged on my ears. Now all of them sit nicely and don't pull on my earlobes. Great product. I make earrings for myself and sell. I use them on most of my stud earrings and they actually stay in place. They fit great to my earrings. They do stay on very well. Number 4. DELECO Earring Backs. These earring backs are made of real 925 sterling silver and plated with 18K white gold. They're nickel-free, lead-free, and hypoallergenic, perfect for sensitive ears. At approximately 6 mm x 7 mm, they fit most earring posts. They're easy to put on and take off, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit. You get 6 pairs of earring backs in an exclusive gift box. It's a great gift for yourself or someone else. Made from real 925 silver, these backs are hypoallergenic and comfortable to wear all day long. They're secure and perfect for your most precious earrings. We stand behind our product. Enjoy a lifetime exchange or money-back guarantee with hassle-free service. What we like? Made from real 925 sterling silver and plated with 18K gold, these are hypoallergenic and durable. They come in a beautiful gift box, making them a perfect present. If you have sensitive ears and appreciate quality materials, these are for you. What people say. These are comfortable and durable. They're the right size for a basic earring. Function just great and easy to use. They pop right on. I have really sensitive ears. I love some of my earrings, but some of the backs they come with would turn green or cause horrible ear cheese, as people say. I've worn the same backs for a week now and haven't had any bad reactions. They work great with my earrings. These are a little bigger than most backings, but they feel very secure on ears. I sleep with them on and they don't hurt. Very comfortable. Number 3. Orgrimmar 14K Gold Earring Backs. These 14K gold earring backs are the perfect replacement for lost or damaged ones. They're comfortable and fit most standard earring posts. Unlike larger earring backs, these are designed for minimal contact with your ear, reducing irritation. They're so comfortable, you'll forget you're wearing them. These earring backs provide a secure hold for your favorite studs, keeping them in place all day long. No more worrying about losing your earrings. They are a great replacement for lost earring backs and fit on most standard posts. Keep your earrings safe and secure with these reliable backs. This set includes 3 pairs of earring backs, giving you plenty of replacements on hand. You'll always have a backup pair ready to go. Please note that this is an international product, so there may be some differences compared to local products. This includes things like fit, age ratings, and labeling. What we like? These 14K gold earring backs provide a secure hold without excessive contact with your ear. Their small size makes them comfortable for everyday wear. If you're looking for a luxurious and comfortable option, these are ideal. What people say. They are on the thinner side, so my regular cheap backs were too loose on them. These fit amazing with zero sliding. I have allergies to certain metals, so gold is my only option. But a week ago the back came off the earring unexpectedly and I almost lost my earring down the drain. So I ordered these and they are perfect. I lost an earring back from my diamond studs and had a difficult time finding one that had a small enough opening. Other inexpensive earring backs would slip. These earrings back stay put so well they work almost like a locking back. Number 2. Earring backs kit. Tired of losing earring backs? This kit provides 600 pieces in 12 styles for all your needs. It's the perfect solution for keeping your earrings secure and your jewelry looking its best. They're made from high-quality, hypoallergenic materials like alloy and silicone. These backs are comfortable to wear all day long and fit securely on most earring posts. With 12 different styles, you'll find the perfect match for any earring. They are suitable for studs, hoops, and more. This kit includes 600 earring backs, giving you plenty of spares. No more searching for lost backs or worrying about running out. They are lightweight and compact, making them easy to store and carry. The included storage box keeps everything organized. These backs are simple to put on and take off. They slide onto earring posts easily and stay securely in place. We're here to help. If you have any questions, please contact us, and we'll respond within 24 hours. What we like? This massive set offers 600 earring backs in 12 styles, ensuring you'll always have the right fit. A convenient storage box is included. If you need a wide selection and convenience, this is the best option for you. What people say. Great at securing my earrings. Every size you will ever need. I have very sensitive ears and have not experienced any discomfort at all. I can fall asleep with my earrings and the stoppers are so secure. These fit snug and come in different options. Plenty come in each type of earring back. Number 1. DELECO Bullet Earring Backs. These earring backs are made with real 925 sterling silver and plated in 14K gold for a durable and shiny finish. They're hypoallergenic and perfect for sensitive ears. The secure design, with built-in silicone, keeps your earrings safely in place. They're ideal for diamond, pearl, and even heavy earrings. These earring backs are approximately 0.24 by 0.24 inches and fit most standard post sizes. They make a wonderful gift. They're designed to work with double or single notched posts, keeping your favorite earring secure and stylish all day and night. You'll receive 2 pairs, one white gold and one yellow gold, in our exclusive gift packaging. We offer a lifetime guarantee for your peace of mind. What we like? These luxurious earring backs are made with 925 sterling silver and 14K gold plating, ensuring both beauty and durability. The secure design keeps your earrings safely in place. If you value quality, security, and a touch of luxury, these are perfect for you. What people say. They are very tight and keep my earrings safely on my ears. I don't worry about losing my earrings. Takes work to get the backs off. They stay locked in place, they're not loose, nor do they give me anything to worry about. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.